Hi everybody. Wow, what a day. What a wonderful day. Of course, besides the fact that, I have my snakes and they're all healthy and happy, and of course Lily's doing Lily, as you can see. But it's later in the day. It's more towards the evening, and even though she wanted out this morning, I wasn't able to get her out because I've just had so much to do with getting kids organised for school and school meetings, and it's just been unbelievable. No, have my snakes missed out? No, because I very much do make up time at this time of the day. So even though Lily wasn't able to come out earlier with me, she's this way, follow the noise, darling, over here, here I am. Hang on, let me get her, let me show her I'm here. This way, no, I'm not going that way. Oh, okay, you do it your way. I'm not opening that door, silly Billy. This way. Okay. Down here. Come on. Except don't fall. Yeah, I'm down this way. Alright, can you feel that vibration? No, you're going back the other way. Come on. Oh my goodness. Righto. It took you a little while. Hey? But Lily, do you know what happened today? Do you want to know what happened today? Because you're a part of it, darling. Do you know that? Do you know what happened? Wow. We made 1,000 subscribers, and I follow quite a few people, and they're not all reptile channels by no means, but I've met some really wonderful people from other channels. And basically Random House Productions was doing a live stream, so I went in to say hello, as I do, and just be a part of the chat for a little while and show my support to people that are subscribed to my channel. And not all of them are reptile people, just like I don't watch all reptile channels, but they like watching the videos, they like seeing my snakes. But it was about, hey, Gotta Love Carpet Pythons only needs 20 odd people to make 1,000, and everybody in that chat subbed, and a few have come over and watched my video and left a comment. So yeah, from me and Lily, all my snakes in actual fact, we are so grateful. And it wasn't just Random House Productions that did this. Every one of my subscribers has helped me achieve this by watching my videos, by supporting me. It is just she always goes in there, and I'm not going to let her. Of course, you're not going in there, Lilo. Okay, it's not for snakies. I'm not going to let you go there. I'd like you to come in, and maybe if you guys can just hold on 2 seconds for me, and I'll spread this out, and sit you up there. Goodness knows what I look like. I've been running all over the place. But yeah, it's because of everybody who has subscribed to my channel and supported me that has helped me achieve it. No one person, it's been everybody that has supported me along the way. So, you know, my emotions are really something today that I've been able to actually achieve this. And talking, you know, about emotions is a little bit of today as, you know, a human, but snakes too. You know, people don't believe they have them, but snakes do have emotions, absolutely. And when I open up that snake enclosure door, you can see the excitement in Lily, you know, that I'm opening the door for her. You can see her excitement when I do that, and that's an emotion. You know, when she gets put back in her enclosure and she goes up or goes into a hide and she pokes her head out and she just sort of lays it there looking at me, she's sulking. That's another emotion. And trust me, it's sulking from Lily. It's not, oh, she's just gone into her hide and she's just laying out there looking at you. Oh no, Lily has not been happy with me putting her home at all, and she's gone in there and she's sulked and she ignores me. Some days, or sometimes, not days, if I've only been able to get her out and she's heading up there, if I've only been able to get her out for a little while and I put her back in and she's not wanted to go back in, but then I've gotten home, you know, an hour or so later and offered her to come out, she won't come out. And it's kind of like her saying, no, you didn't want me out before. I'm not coming out now because you want me to come out. There might be a little bit about her cutting off her nose to spite her face, but I've seen her do that. And I've seen her do that for a few days. Oh, I don't want to come out now. So, you know, I watch her whole body language lights up. You know, when I get her out. And I see it all of the time. And, you know, they express fear. And we've seen that with our snakes. That's an emotion. She's going up there. We know where Lily's going. And if Lily's going there, that means I need to turn off the fan. That's what I need to do. So before she gets too far, of course. But that's an emotion. So excitement, happiness, fear, they all exist for a snake, and I'm watching her butt, and not that she needs to do number 2, but she could need to do the other. I just watch that, and I watch it, and I have a puppy pad. Sorry, I'm moving you all over the place here, but I need to have a puppy pad ready to go, just in case. So there it is, it's just ready to go pretty much. But yeah, so many emotions, and you know, I wouldn't say that they cry, but I do know they're sad. I know when they're not well, because they just don't move and they're not their normal active selves, because they're letting us know that they don't feel well, and they have to tell us that they're not feeling well. And they don't have verbal speech at all, no. We know they don't, but they tell us in their body language. And I've just spoken to somebody, or left a comment and stated, you know, when Tessa bit me, you know, it was like she turned around when she sort of realized that I wasn't a rat. It was like she turned around at me and said, well, it's your fault. Why did your hand smell like a rat? What did you expect me to do? And I could see that in her. You know, I do know snakes that, because that's Tessa's personality, but I also have seen snakes bite and then they have been sad because they didn't want to do it either. So lots and lots and lots of emotions they can show us if you take the time to observe your snake, and yeah, just in different scenarios of what's going on. You know, if I'm feeling down and out, Lily's so much more chilled and laid back with me. If I'm happy and cheerful and bouncing around, gosh, there's no stopping Lily. Going here, there and everywhere and checking everything out, because she's full of energy. So, you know, their moods go with ours as well. So don't underestimate a snake having the ability to show emotions and to sense and feel yours and what you're like on the day as well. So that's pretty much it, and I know Lily is in the dark zone and she's just going to settle on up there now and hang out here for a little while. So that's cool with me. I'm home for the day now. Busy day tomorrow, so I want to let her make the most of being out right now. So guys, you take care of yourself and your family and your snakes, if not snakes, any animals that you have in your life. So ciao.